So today we will be starting with the formulas for total fixed cost and total variable cost, right? When we talk about the formulas here, there are two factors to be assumed here, right? Capital and labor, right? As we discussed yesterday, ki fixed factor and variable factor. So when we talk about fixed factor, capital is one of the example what is fixed factor, right? And labor is the one which is variable factor. Okay, and here when we talk about these factors, L becomes the unit of labor and W becomes the unit of wage. At what wage they are employed. ओके वेजेस मतलब जो लेबर्स को काम करने के बाद पे किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेज. Okay, and by this we have the formula for total cost. Total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC is total fixed cost plus TVC, total variable cost. Total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Got it? Yes? See. Now when we talk about here total fixed cost का मतलब होता है कांस्टेंट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ आउटपुट. कांस्टेंट इंडिपेंडेंट, जब आउटपुट हमारा फिक्स्ड रहता है, कांस्टेंट रहता है, उसमें यूज होता है हमारा टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. एंड टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू WXL. Now what is WXL? We'll see here. Okay, see here you are able to see the difference between. See, when we talk about total fixed cost and total variable cost, we will see this 3-4 difference between. When we first talk about with meaning, right? जब हम मीनिंग की बात यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे देखो टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट का आपको दिया है. When we talk about total variable cost, it vary with the level of output. टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट जो है वो आउटपुट के साथ वेरी होता है. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, इट डज नॉट वेरी विद द लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट, राइट? इन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, time period can be changed in short period, whereas in total fixed cost it remain fixed for the short period. Long period की बात नहीं कर रहे हम यहाँ पे, short period it remain fixed in short period. Okay, when we talk about the concept, total variable cost में zero से concept of output starts. The concept of zeros output starts with total variable cost, and in total fixed cost it can never be zero. It can never be zero, right? When we talk about the factors of production, यहाँ पे हर एक वेरिएबल कॉस्ट पे कॉस्ट इनकर किया जाता है टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट में. उन सारे कॉस्ट को कंसिडर किया जाता है जो भी फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पे हम कॉस्ट इनकर कर रहे हैं. Whereas in total fixed cost, cost is always incurred on the fixed factors of production, right? Only for the fixed factors of production. When we talk about the shape of the cost curve, it is always upward sloping, राइट? कॉस्ट अगर हम देखें शेप कॉस्ट कर्व का, तो हमेशा वो अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग की तरफ होता है वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, और फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट हमेशा एक्स एक्सिस को पैरेलल रहता है. क्लियर बेटा? देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन शोन टोटल कॉस्ट, टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट एंड टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज बी केयरफुल, हाँ, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, हमने जो आगे थ्योरी में देखा दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन ग्राफ. ओके, सी व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट TFC, टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. yes, it is horizontal to the x axis. See, you can see this line is horizontal to the x axis. yes, total fixed cost. When we talk about TC and TVC, मतलब ये दोनों terms, TC and TVC, they are S shaped. देखो यहाँ से ये लग रहा है ना ऐसे कर्वी शेप में आ रहे हैं दोनों दोनों कर्व्स, right? That means they rise initially at a decreasing rate. वो कभी डिक्रीजिंग रेट पे बढ़ रहे हैं एंड कभी कभी कांस्टेंट हो जा रहे हैं एंड कभी कभी इंक्रीज भी हो जा रहे हैं, राइट? दैट्स वाई उनका शेप जो है वो एस शेप में आ रहा है. सी यहाँ पे वो राइज हो रहे हैं फिर कांस्टेंट हो जा रहे हैं, देन सी दे आर राइजिंग फ्रॉम हियर, then they become constant, then again they decline with a point and they again rise. Clear? This happens because of the law of variable proportions, right? See beta, it is mentioned here at zero level. यहाँ पे at zero level of output total cost is equal to TFC. This देखो यहाँ पे जीरो लेवल की अगर हम बात करें तो सी दिस पॉइंट है ना, आर यू एबल टू सी दिस पॉइंट वेर जीरो TC is 0 and TFC also starts with that point only. That means at zero level of output TC is equal to TFC. Yes, and by this TC and TVC curves are parallel to each other, they never intersect, right? They are always parallel. See, ये वाला curve and ये वाला curve, ये intersect नहीं होंगे, कितने भी long जाएंगे, they will not intersect, right? You know parallel. Parallel means the lines or the curves which never intersect each other. Yes? When we talk here about average cost and average total cost, okay? See, average cost बोलो या average total cost बोलो, they both are one and the same. Yes? When we talk about average cost जो है, it is the cost per unit of output. It is the cost per unit of output. Okay? And please be very careful. You can note it down in your note and pen. Average fixed cost, that is AFC, fixed cost per unit of output, fixed cost per unit of output, and average variable cost is variable cost per unit of output. Yes, average variable cost is the cost which is variable cost per unit of output. Cost per unit of output is composed of two costs, average fixed cost and average variable cost. Average fixed cost is the cost per unit of output, right? And average variable cost is the variable cost per unit of output. Easy? Yes? See, now here is a formula in front of you. When we talk about your formulas, very importantly, see, when we talk about average total cost, that means ATC, right? TC upon Q. What was Q? Q is टोटल कॉस्ट में जो हमारा कॉस्ट आउटपुट को लगते इन्वेस्ट होता है, दैट इज Q. द कॉस्ट विच इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ, right? The cost which is composed of all the factors to be invested for total cost is Q. Clear? See, when we talk about average total cost, ATC is equal to TC upon Q. That means total cost upon Q. What is total cost? Total fixed cost plus total variable cost upon Q. ठीक है? अब टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट और टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू एवरेज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. So in short, you can write average total cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. जिस तरह हम टोटल कॉस्ट में लिख रहे थे, टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, इस तरह से एवरेज टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू टोटल एवरेज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. Easy and clear to understand? Yes. Average total cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Okay. Now see students, once more, very important thing. What is average fixed cost? Average fixed cost is always equal to total fixed cost upon Q. Right? Q is the quantity composed in total cost. Yes. एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट क्या होता है? एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट अपॉन क्यू. टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू W इंटू एल अपॉन क्यू. व्हाट इज W इंटू एल? सी, W is wages, L is labor. टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट में वेजेस और लेबर दोनों को कंसिडर किया जाता है अपॉन क्यू. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी अवर फॉर्मूला हियर टू मेक इट वन? WL डिवाइड बाय L डिवाइडेड बाय Q अपॉन L. समझ रहे हो? W इंटू एल को डिवाइड किया L के साथ एंड Q को डिवाइड किया L के साथ. So this L will be removed now. ये L कट जाएगा. This L will be removed. Yes, अपॉन वाले जो L हैं, W इंटू एल अपॉन L, तो वो दोनों L आपस में कट जाएंगे. Yes, because they are in division. Okay, so what initially we will get is W upon Q upon L, and Q upon L is nothing but AP. So our average cost will be W upon AP. Yes, average variable cost is equal to W, that means wages, upon AP. Clear? We'll see this last topic. These are the features. See, it is very beautifully presented here. These are the features. When we talk about features, तो average fixed cost, ठीक है? Average fixed cost curve always drops. See, ये हमेशा गिरता ही जाएगा. Average fixed cost. Right? Why? Because average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost upon quantity composed in total cost. That is the reason why average fixed cost is always declining. It always drops. Right? Next, AVC. Average variable curve, average variable cost curve is always U-shaped. देखो यहाँ पे आपको साइन भी प्रेजेंट करके दिया है. It is always in a U-shaped. Why? Because average variable cost is equal to W upon AP, and AP is always inverted U-shaped. Right? That's the reason why average variable cost is always U-shaped. Now, when we talk about average total cost and average variable cost, they come closer and closer as the amount of output increases. The amount of output increases, the total average, the average total cost and average fixed cost plus average variable cost will be there in consideration. Yes? See, when we talk about this, it increases average total cost and average variable cost. They come closer together as the amount of output increases. Right? See, as here we can see, AFC जो है वो always decrease हो रहा है, ये U shaped में है. This is the curve, this curve and this curve. Curve number 1 and curve number 2. They will come closer. Why? Because of this reason. ATC, that means average total cost, is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. समझ आया बेटा? Is that clear? Very good.